In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a cinematic color grade in Adobe Photoshop. Start by selecting the background layer. Then press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy of it. After that, go to Filter and choose Convert for Smart Filters so you can change the values later if needed. Click OK to continue. Now go back to Filter again and open Camera Raw Filter. Inside the panel, scroll down until you find the color grading section, then open it. First, work on the highlights. Take the center circle and drag it away from the middle. Then use the outer ring to choose the color you want for the highlights. In this case, add a little warmth. If you want stronger color, increase the amount slightly. You can also adjust the brightness and make it a little darker if needed. Then increase the color amount a bit more. Next, move down to the shadows section. Again, drag the center circle away from the center and use the outer ring to choose a color for the shadows. Add a subtle green tone here. After that, make the shadows slightly darker. If it feels too strong, reduce the amount a little. Now move to the Midtones section. Choose the color you want by dragging the center circle and adjusting the outer ring. Set it to the color you prefer, then either increase or decrease the amount depending on the look you want. After that, adjust the brightness and make the midtones a little darker. Once the color grading is done, scroll back up to the lights section. Here you can experiment with the settings. Increase the contrast slightly, then lower the whites to keep more color in the highlights and create a more natural look. You can also adjust the highlights and shadows however you like. If you want to add a little texture, scroll down to the Effects section and slightly increase the texture amount. When you are happy with the result, click OK. At this point, you can compare the overall before and after to see the cinematic color grade applied to the image. And that is how you can create a cinematic color grade in Photoshop super quickly and easily.